Have you checked the steering box on your Wildcat XX yet? Click the link below, it'll take you right to this product on our website. You can order it there, you can read up on it more, or just give us a call, let us know if you have more questions. Just over time, they've proven to be a fail point, whether the bushings wear out or the gears inside wear out. They're a big, beefy, bulky machine, and it's been one of the areas, I wouldn't even call it a weak spot, but over time we see failures there. So we are now going to introduce, talk to you, and show you the new heavy-duty steering box option for that machine. So Wildcat XX models, this is the Speedwerx heavy-duty steering box upgrade. Comes complete with the tie rods, the boots, everything you see here. There's bushings in here to tighten up and take away any slop or misalignment there. They retail for $449.95. Your stock system would only have a bushing on the one side of the arm. It was only bushed on one side, so Speedwerx on the old ones, we sold the other bushing to put on the other side. This one has bushings on both sides already, and then it goes from a 22 millimeter shaft to a 27 millimeter shaft, which is it's like over 20% bigger in diameter. It's way more robust, it's way beefier, it's way stronger, it's going to last a lot longer. And on top of it, if you want to change out your tie rod kits, everything like that, you can. But yeah, heavy duty steering box kit from Speedwerx comes with everything you see here, $449.95. If you got any questions, let us know.